gentlemen, we've got the ZFORCE Sport 4 going on a rescue mission. We got it hooked up to the 6.5 by 12 utility trailer. Yeah, I know I should be using my truck, but it's a dually, but it's still two-wheel drive, so I'd rather have the four-wheel drive because none of our roads are prepped at all for winter. That's why the Southerners can't handle the cold. We have, like, at a couple of the intersections, they've got salt laid down, so I guess so we can stop, right? We're gonna go get the girls' CFORCE 110s from the shop, and that way they can go enjoy them out here in the snow. Let's put her in low gear. We're four-wheel drive. Let's see if we can move this thing. Oh yeah, no problem. Piece of cake. Alright, let's go to the shop. We'll stay, probably put it in high gear once we get down here and ease down the street. You can see where they laid the salt down. I guess that's good for if you're coming in. Oh, look at these Jeeps. That's what I'm talking about. It's like they've tried to do a little scraping on Main Street. There's old Wolverine. We got the CFORCE 110s out. We're gonna get them loaded up. They've been in the shop for a while. We did the, you know, if you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing us put the prototype sprocket kits on them. We've been testing them here and running around the shop and stuff. And now we're gonna get them to the house and rip them around in the snow. So we'll get them loaded up and see how they do. We'll get some action for you. All right, let's get home, boys and girls. Let's get home. I don't know where he's going. I guess he's going ice fishing. We couldn't stop, but that was autumn. Going forward part ain't the problem. It's stopping on slopes like this where it's still icy. We're good to go. Got the CFORCE 110s unloaded. Got the girls' helmets on. Got their gear on. They're gonna play a little bit. They're gonna cut up. I told them to be careful. They ain't never rode the quads on the ice, but they've had a lot of time on these CFORCE 110s. They need to make some adult size sport quads like that. That'd be awesome. With some good quality suspension. That would be awesome. I think the market for that's way bigger than a lot of manufacturers think. The only people making them right now is Yamaha. The sun's about to go down. It's going to get even colder. I think we're going to be down around 3 degrees tonight, something like that. So any snow and ice that the sun melted today, because we had clear skies, so it's been a beautiful day. It's going to be, I can see where it melted on the side of the truck here, and it melted just a little bit and then refroze. So that's how the roads are going to be, very icy. Your hand's cold?
Way too cold.
Alright, we gotta get you some different gloves. Those cheapos ain't working. I need to give them some gator waiter, but I gotta go see if they have kid size. I can't remember. There's my little man. We just put him in like 15 layers and he can't move. And he just likes to be drug around. It's hilarious. Aiden, Aiden, you having fun? I don't know if he looks miserable or just really chill. That's hilarious. My wife is going to cut up and play for a second. Hopefully she don't get hurt. Hey, why don't you pull him around? Alright, Jerica's. Maybe I need to get her one of these quads instead of a big C4. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, she gave it some throttle that time. I gotta show him not to let off the throttle. Doing good. I got me a bunch of little rippers. We gotta get him on something. You having fun? Hey, does it drive good? Has it got more power now? Yeah. No, I didn't put no fast gas. I put a sprocket kit on it. Yeah. It just goes faster now, don't it? Takes off good? Yeah. Alright. Alright, well, I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to go have fun with the family. We'll do some more ripping in the ice and snow before it melts. We'll get the Z4 Sport 4 out and the Segway villain. We'll have a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Remember to go see teammscparts.com right there for all of your parts and accessory needs. Go to mainstreetcycle.com if you want to get a new ATV or side-by-side. Hope to see you soon. God bless you. As always, remember to keep it real. We'll see you in the next one.